What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to our channel. It's your girl Grace. How are you all doing? Zaze. Well, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful hairstyle for your toddlers. So if you want to know how I do it, please keep on watching. I'm not cutting your hair, Mom. I'm not. I'm not cutting your hair. I was cutting your hair. Mom, I'm not. I'm not cutting your hair, okay? Trust Mommy. Mommy is not cutting your hair. Imagine her. Hair, I've been trying to grow. Mommy cannot cut your hair, okay? Princess. First of all, I went ahead and moisturized her hair with this hair butter. When I mean this hair butter is the bomb. If you have a very, like, now we are into winter, right? So if you have, if your hair is super dry and refuse to comb after you are done with washing it and all that stuff, use this hair butter. It's super nice and it moisturizes the ends of the hair, and it makes it super soft for you to comb your hair. I mean super soft, even for adults, not only for kids, even for adults. Okay, so once I finished combing the hair, I went ahead and I parted the hair, or I sectioned it in the way I want it to go, and I went into triangle form this time. And once I finished doing that, I have to twist them. I did it a little twist, and you can see how grown Chima's hair is, right? See how grown it is. So I'm just, if you haven't watched how I have been growing my daughter's hair, please go check out our channel. I'm gonna put the link up there, the things I've been using to grow Chima's hair from bimbo to a full hair like this, and how long it is right now. So I will just leave you to enjoy the process because it's just a repetitive process. So after I finished parting the hair, I went ahead and I started fixing in the crochet the next day. So this curly jelly kind of curls or twist, I made it myself. And if you want to know how I do it, like, this is just the premise of how I created these curls. If you want to know how I created, how I did it, please let me know in the comment section, so that I would teach you how I can do the tutorial, or I can post the tutorial on how I created these curls. Instead of me going to the store to go buy about $7, you can use $2 hair extension from your local beauty supply and create this, and it's super nice and beautiful. So after I finished putting in this crochet hair into my daughter's hair, I noticed one thing, that the hair was too long for her. I mean, there is, for my daughter, I'm not saying for every child, right? So for me, my hair, I've never done a hair that is more than, that is up to my butt. I didn't say it's a wrong, it's a bad thing or whatever, but as an adult, I know my limit. So for me, I know what I'll call a healthy length for a child. So I found out that it was too long for my daughter. It might not be too long for your own daughter, okay? But I found out it was too long and it was unhealthy length for my daughter. Why I say it's unhealthy length is because if it's too long for her, it's gonna pull her hair a lot, even though it's crochet. And if it's too long for her too, it's gonna be too hard for me to maintain. So as a kid, I would want it to be very healthy for her scalp, and for her own, her age, okay? So I decided to cut the hair, and when I cut the hair, the teeth opened. When I cut it the way I wanted to, for the size I wanted, or the length I wanted it to be, the hair got open. Like, it refused to like have that, that curly or that slim ends again. So it didn't close back. So what I did was just, okay, I decided to fluff it out. I cut it and I fluffed it out, and at the end of the day, I loved what it came out to be. Like, it became so pretty that I was like, yeah, this hair could be used for, little braids, kind of hairstyles, and it's so pretty at the end of the day. So this is just it. You can leave the hair the way it is, or you can fluff it out this way. So just to fluff it out, you just open up the twist, and then you just drag the hair and then fluff it out. It's just gonna be beautiful. The curls will still be there, but it's not gonna have like that taily ends that you were looking for, but it's just gonna be beautiful. So this is what we resorted into. It wasn't our plan at all. It wasn't our plan to have this kind of hairstyle. Honestly, our plan was just to have like curl, a twist and all that stuff, and with all this beautiful adornment around it, these balls around it, in every of the braids or every of the twist. But it didn't turn out that way. So I ended up taking out all of the balls, adornment accessories I put on the hair. I ended up taking everything out and leaving just leaving just 4 at the front there. So guys, this is just the end of the tutorial. I will put a picture of what it turned out to be, like how you can style it, or how I styled it for my for your little bride, kind of, or like having like what's it called again, baptismal, whatever you want to do. This hairstyle turned out looking good. So don't mind us here. My daughter was so tired, she doesn't want to smile, so I decided to kiss her to make her smile. So well guys, this is the end of our tutorial. Well, let me just tell you guys, I went ahead to apply some mousse so that the curls will come out more. and also to do her edges. So this is the end of the tutorial. If you like this hairstyle, please don't forget to recreate it and tag us along. And if you like what you're seeing, please just don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And we do love you. I and Chima love you so much, and thank you so much for watching our tutorials. We do appreciate it a lot, and see you next time. Bye.